Hello everybody, today we make a quarantine time and we make a mojito, okay? And I got everything on the table over here, I prepared, and I got rum, I got my leaves, small leaves mint, look how small this, I got so many in my garden outside, got so big the leaves. And we use the water San Pellegrino, sparkle. I got a lime, and I got a sugar. And I got 2 glasses, one for me and one for my wife, and nobody else. All right, now we start with the mint. And I pick up 5 leaves. But these leaves, 3, 4, and let's break the glass. And 5. You see, I'm not drinking. I just finished work. Okay, now we put it on this glass first. Okay. And now I gotta use 5 more leaves for the other glass. Okay.
It's Chardonnay wine.
Okay, and we do like this. Okay, now we put the lime, and I put over here, okay. Now we use the sugar. 1, and 2.
Somebody's
1,
watching you from work.
and 2. Okay, and now we gotta mix this. Because the mint gotta be nice. Taste the mint. It's
Carrie, she said, I can use some drink now.
yeah. Let's make it together. We drink it together. Nice. All right. Now we gotta get ice. I got it right over here. The glass.
Okay, you can come. We'll give it to you some.
Somebody come?
For me.
Huh?
Me.
Oh yeah? Maybe you live in California, you come over here for mint? Huh. Okay. You need a lot of ice. Okay, I put one over here. All right, and now we got a rum. A whipper.
How is your garden doing?
It do good. 1. And a half. Now we do.
Rob is having amaretto.
1. Yeah. Amaretto di Saronno. E 2. And we put this on the side. And now we give a nice mix on this. To pull off everything. Look at that. Okay, we leave over here. And this other one. All right. And now the sparkle water. Oh, just right. And we'll give another Okay. And now I want to say, salute chin chin. And I got over here, we make this. E salute chin chin. Oh, so smell the mint. Look at this mint on the bottle. Oh, so good. Really good. I like to make this every single night with the quarantine every night. It's really good. I like this. Okay, I want to say to everybody, thank you very much. Che this Quarantini Mojito, it's really good. Nice, cold, mint, everything, and the rum, everything is so good. I want to say thank you very much, and thank you for the start. It's a beautiful day, and come on, let's make a quarantine, everybody, and let's drink it together. Salute chin chin.